What's up, guys? Jack Stewart here with Splash Omnimedia. I want to thank everybody that came to see us at the Pest Control Summit earlier this week. What I'm going to be doing is giving away this Yeti. So thank you for everybody who stopped by our booth, put your business card in this Yeti. What we're going to be doing is engraving your logo on top if you win. We've got about 55 or so entries here. And for anybody who used the QR code to scan and everything, what I did is I just wrote your name on the back of a blank business card here, so you got a fair chance. So without further ado, I'm gonna stick this in here and mix them up a little bit. We're gonna see who won. All right, so and our winner is Mary Elizabeth Dowlis with the Strand Termite and Pest Company. Thank you for everybody who entered, and congratulations, Mary Elizabeth. I'll be getting in contact with you soon. We're gonna grab that logo, engrave it on top, and get you your Yeti. So thanks, everybody.